Hello there. Today I'm going to make a first impression video about a luxury timepiece. This is the first time I review or I check a luxury timepiece, and as you might already have guessed, it's a Rolex. Before I go on, I want to show you what I'm wearing. It is the Trust Casametier and has a direct relationship with this watch. Okay, without further ado, here we go and see what we're talking about. As you can see, this is the Rolex Explorer, the 124270. This is the 2021 new Rolex, back with the 36mm size. So the first things that you notice is that, well, the box is just simply amazing. Everything in this watch, in the way you receive it, it's great. Everything here is the warranty card, instructions manual, the tags, and well, here is the watch. So I want to make it rather simple. The first things first. I think it's a beautiful watch. Exudes quality. Everything about it is just amazing. The fit and finish, the bracelet, the clasp in the bracelet, everything is simply amazing. And I think the size is perfect. The proportions in the dial, the symmetry, everything is basically perfect in this watch. So you can see that there is a Rolex Oyster Perpetual Explorer at the 12 and Super Precision officially certified at the 6. It has a flat sapphire crystal, has polished sides, also polished sides in the bracelet, and is brushed on the top of it, and also the bezel is polished. Both numbers and, well, all the markers have chromalite, and the clasp has this system to unlock it. It's also polished inside and has an easy link extension that you can take out and put it back to make it fit better when your wrist expands, as in hot days or things like that. It has a small crown at 6, it's Swiss made, and I think that it is a great machine. Inside there is the 3230 movement with 70 hours power reserve, with all the new advances of this Rolex movement. And as you know, these movements are very reliable. They have service intervals of 10 years, and this watch has a warranty of 5. And I think it's just simply amazing. There is a lot of story behind this Rolex Explorer, which was made after the summit of Mount Everest in 1953 by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tensei Norgay. They were, it's not sure who wore what, but it's believed that there was a Rolex in there, not this model, a different model, a pre-Explorer model, and a Smith's watch also. So this was made after the summit by Rolex as a celebration of this feat, and it has gone through several iterations. The Rolex Explorer 1016 was the most famous one with the printed numerals, and after that reference there have been, with applied numbers, the 14270 and the 14270, which were also of 36mm. And after some time, the previous model, it was 39mm, the 214270, which has now been discontinued. And now this is the back to the 36mm size. This is the new Rolex Explorer. So it's a strange move from Rolex, downsizing a watch, going back to a former size that is the classical size for this Rolex. I personally love that because I really like this size of 36mm, and this being my grail, I think this is the spot on. This is so sweet. Well, I will make an in-depth review in a few weeks, and well, this is the Rolex Explorer. I think it's simply amazing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.